Steps to brick staining. Here we have an open stain, which this is just for illustration purposes. Normally, you want to have it closed, or you want to stir it every 10 to 15 minutes. So we're going to take a medium fine brush and start off with the cross method. Finish off going up and down. Don't put too much on the brush. Just like so. And whatever you do after a few minutes is don't come back and do any touch-ups. You go just like that, up and down will get you better results. And then leave it. Do not wait 5 or 10 minutes. If you miss something, do not come back and touch it up. The potassium silicates will turn lighter.